Lesson 2, factorizing quadratic trinomial in the form ax power 2 plus bx plus c. Then the second case we have a coefficient with x power 2. The second case have coefficient of x power 2. To solve this problem, we have to make draft. Ask yourself, two numbers, their product equal 3. Then we can write in draft 3 times 1. And b power 2, b times b. Firstly, we have to find two numbers, their product equals 3, b power 2. The coefficient 3 means 3 times 1, and b times b. Then the last number 2, two numbers, their product equals 2. 1 times 2, and 2 times 1. Firstly, we can write 2 times 1 and make cross multiplication. 1 times 2 equals 2b. And 3 times 1 equals 3b. These two numbers, their sum equals 7. Ask yourself, 2 plus 3 equals 7? False. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 can't give 7. Then we have to change between 2 and 1. Cancel this step and write another two numbers, their product equals 2. These two numbers are 1 times 2. You make a change between two numbers. Instead of 2 times 1, we can write 1 times 2 and make cross multiplication. 1 times 1b equals b, and 3b times 2 equals 6b. Ask yourself, 6b plus b, their sum equals 7? Yes, that's right. Then we have to put the brackets and sign. Close these two brackets and put the sign. The last sign is positive, then these two numbers will take the middle sign is positive. Write positive. Then after factorizing, we have to put the two brackets, 3b plus 1, and the other bracket is b plus 2. Another example, then we have firstly to make draft to solve this factorization, to make sure that this factorize is right. 5x power 2 means 5 times 1, and x power 2 means x times x. 1 means times 1, and make cross multiplication. 1 times 1 equals 1, and 5 times 1 equals 5. Ask yourself, are these two numbers 1 and 5, their sum equals 6? That's right. Then we have to close the two brackets and put the middle sign. This example, the middle sign is negative, then we have to write negative sign between these two brackets and write factorization, two brackets, 5x minus 1 times 1x minus 1 means x minus 1. The third one, in this type, we have to make draft to make sure that this factorize is right. Okay? The third draft, 6x power 2. 6 means 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 1 times 6. Firstly, we can put 2 times 3 or 3 times 2. 6x power 2 equals 2x times 3x. Ask yourself the two numbers, their product equals 12. 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Then we have to write any two numbers and make sure that these two numbers are right. We have to put 3 times 4 and make cross multiplication to make sure that these two numbers are right. 3 times 3 equals 9x, and 2 times 4 equals 8x. Ask yourself, are these two numbers, the difference between them equals 1x? That's right. 9 minus 8 equals 1x. Then these two brackets are right. Both brackets, close it, and put the sign according to the greatest sign. The last sign is negative, then the greatest number will take the middle sign. Which is bigger, 9x or 8x? 9x is greater, then the first bracket will take the middle sign, and the other bracket will take the opposite of this sign, is positive. Then we can write the factorize, the two brackets. After factorization, open two brackets and write 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 4.